Hello everybody, welcome to my workshop video. This is where I'm going to build my Rans S-21. It's early December 2019. My kit is en route on the freight truck and the garage is ready. I thought I'd just go through some of the stuff I did to prepare for this kit arrival and successful build of the Rans S-21 outbound. So I got a 3-car garage, and obviously that's all the garage stuff on that side. Got one of those golf cart neighborhood electric vehicles that may be sold to pay for some airplane parts at some point. So this is the 1-car side, and it's full of stuff. I still need to get rid of some things. So over on this wall, I got my whiteboard with my obvious to-do list, build my S-21. I got a couple other things on there. I got some stuff in my hangar I need to bring over and organize, some tools. And this is an older workbench I built years ago when I was trying to work on a Vans RV project. I finished an RV8 empennage with this workbench. Now it's just holding some garage stuff, and I don't have any electricity over here, so this will probably just be some storage area. The cabinets are from garagedepartment.com. I'll put a link in the description. They're the new age bold 3.0 cabinets, and Garage Department originally sent me a cabinet set that didn't include what I ordered. I'd ordered the long 60-inch work center with the bamboo top, but instead of receiving that, I received 2 of those rolling cabinets and an extra 30-inch wide cabinet. I brought that to their attention, and they fixed it pretty satisfactory. They sent me the extra 42-inch cabinet I was supposed to receive, and then the work center, and I didn't have to send back the extra 30-inch cabinet or the extra rolling tool chest. So they were really good on their customer service on that, and I wanted to give them a acknowledgement. I also ordered the LED lights and slat wall backsplash, and these are Harbor Freight boxes here, and they fit right on this slat wall backslash. $10. Got all those containers, and then I'm organizing some into my garage, nuts and bolts and screws, various small tools and stuff. I have my 55-inch TV I got on Black Friday special with a sound bar, and then there's 12 outlets on that power strip, and I can charge different various items off of that. Both of my outlets are behind these 2 cabinets, so I had to add some power strips to access electricity here. Originally I had a workbench against this wall with some pegboard, but I decided to put the television there. It worked perfectly, as I have my scrolling photos from the Rans open house going up on the TV. I've epoxied everything on the floor with the gray epoxy and then the blue, black, white flecks. Basically it's the Home Depot package of the Rust-Oleum epoxy kit. So on this side of my garage I have a 20 amp dedicated breaker for my air compressor. It's a Coleman 7.7 cubic feet per minute at 40 psi and 6.0 cubic feet per minute at 90 psi. I think that's a 27-gallon tank over there. It's loud, but it works. And I also have 8-foot LED strips. Originally these were fluorescent with the fluorescent ballast in them. In fact, the lights on the other side of the garage where I have all the garage items stored, are still using the fluorescent bulbs. And I installed those last night and they're daylight. Everything's super bright in here. So these metal workbench bases, a neighbor of mine works for a contractor, and these were welded for a hospital. But as you can see, the work space without the bottom rail here where you'd sit on a stool or something with your legs underneath the table, they welded on the outlets backwards. So this outlet receptacle here should have been welded on the other side, so they weren't able to use these. And my neighbor got a bunch of them for various friends and people, so I ended up with 2 of them. Looks to be about they're made out of steel, adjustable legs. And so my thought is, once I get the crate, use some of the wood. I have enough room for a 4-foot wide lower shelf. Might have to put a center leg to hold up the center, and I'll try to make at least a 12-foot table out of this for the wing construction. And it'll be 4 feet wide, at least 12 feet long, and that'll allow to keep the wing skins underneath and then have a work surface on top. Okay, Garrett, you ready to make a video about the garage?
Okay.
So what do you want to say about the garage?
He always complains about it being messy. So let's just do a little spin around to show you how messy it actually is.
It's not that messy. But it's for our airplane.
Little there.
Okay, that is messy. That's all your stuff though.
No, it's not.